Join me on a journey to the Kingdom of Bahrain, a tiny island nation in the Arabian Gulf that packs a punch of history, prosperity, and cultural traditions. Nestled between Saudi Arabia and Qatar, Bahrain is a jewel that seamlessly blends the ancient with the modern. Bahrain, an archipelago of 33 islands, boasts a rich cultural heritage that dates back to ancient times. The Qalat al-Bahrain, an archaeological site recognized by UNESCO, and the Bahrain National Museum showcase the island's deep historical roots, from the Dilmun civilization to the present day. The capital city, Manama, is a vibrant metropolis that balances modernity with tradition. Explore the bustling Bab el-Bahrain Souk, witness the contemporary architecture of the Bahrain World Trade Center, and experience the luxurious ambience of the Bahrain Bay. Manama stands as a testament to Bahrain's progressive vision. Bahrain's economic prosperity is driven by its strategic location and a commitment to diversification. As a financial hub in the Gulf, Bahrain has embraced economic sectors beyond oil, such as finance, tourism, and technology. The Bahrain Economic Vision 2030 outlines ambitious plans for sustainable development and innovation. Bahrain is known for its religious coexistence and tolerance. The Fateh Grand Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, and the Tree of Life, a solitary tree that thrives in the desert, symbolize the nation's commitment to unity and diversity. Bahrain's constitution guarantees freedom of religion, fostering a harmonious society. Bahrain faces environmental challenges, including water scarcity and land reclamation. The government has implemented initiatives such as the Bahrain National Marine Conservation Area to preserve marine life. Sustainable practices and awareness campaigns are crucial in mitigating the impact of climate change on this island nation. Bahrain's cultural scene is vibrant, with a thriving arts community and various festivals celebrating its heritage. The Bahrain International Circuit hosts the Formula One Grand Prix, drawing global attention, while the Spring of Culture Festival showcases the richness of Bahraini arts, music, and literature. While Bahrain has made progress in human rights and gender equality, social challenges persist. The government's ongoing reforms aim to enhance social inclusivity, education, and healthcare. Initiatives like the Bahrain Institute for Pearls and Gemstones also contribute to skill development and economic empowerment. Bahrain's history is intertwined with pearl diving, a traditional industry that shaped its identity. Modern innovations, like the Bahrain Institute for Pearls and Gemstones, aim to revive this heritage. The annual Pearl Diving Festival celebrates this cultural legacy, fostering a connection between the past and the present. In conclusion, Bahrain is a captivating blend of ancient history, economic prosperity, and cultural openness. Its commitment to sustainable development, religious tolerance, and social reforms positions Bahrain as a beacon of progress in the Arabian Gulf. I invite you to explore the dynamic landscapes and cultural treasures of Bahrain.